Hold a sheet of paper against the drainage pipe to determine if the pressure in the drainage pipe is negative. If so, the paper will be sucked against the pipe. If the pressure is positive, the paper will flutter away from the pipe. Install the water trap. Be careful to install the water trap with its bent position downward. If the pressure in the pipe is negative, the maximum permissible pressure is -900 pascal. A heating cable cannot be used with this type of water trap because the cable would otherwise prevent the ball from sealing off the flow of liquid. On the other hand, if the pressure in the pipe is positive, the ball must be removed. The maximum permissible positive pressure is 400 pascal. When the installation work is completed, fill the water trap with water.